Boom, y'all, back with another video. Listen, shout out to y'all for checking out the last YouTube video. Right now we are back with my Road Glide. King, that's his name. On the last video, King having some issues, okay? We couldn't get King to do right. Okay, it's my fault though. So King didn't start last time. We put new gas in it. We tried to jump the battery. None of that worked. I do want to appreciate all of y'all for checking out that video. And if you're new here, go check that video out and then come back to this video, okay? Go, 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 go. Y'all, we got a good battery we just tested. We finna head home. So I saw in the comments somebody was like, get a lithium battery. Oh, but I heard negative things about it, so I'm just gonna stay away. This battery I just got was only 140 bucks from the dealership. They were charging me $225 or something like that. $225 was a new battery at the dealership. And it's like 1,000 degrees out here. We're under a heat wave. All right, so what, everything look good?
Yeah.
Woo! Real quick to address a few things. The bike did not start. It was sitting out for a year. Yes. This is not unusual for my bike. Since I bought my bike for 7 years, I had my bike for like 7 years. The bike has never been inside. It's always been outside with a bike cover on it. We've never had any issues. My bike always looked good on videos. No one would have thought differently. There was probably a loft I lived in for 5 months where my bike was inside. So this is not unusual for my bike. But we had the tornadoes in St. Louis. I believe the wind took the bike cover off. I wasn't able to get over here. The next day my dad put the cover on, but guess what? Damage is done. Water is sitting because I didn't know I left one of my saddlebags open, but guess what? It's a new day, and guess what? It is okay. All right, so today we finna throw this new battery in here. We got T-Mac back in the building. Woo!
Seatbelt on, because I don't want to hear that.
Oh yeah. So y'all, we did not get the screws we needed for the battery we just bought. So we finna pull back up and see if they have it and forgot to give it to us, or if I need to buy it. So, but first we finna stop at White Castle. Y'all, cross your fingers right now in the comments. Let me know, do you think this bike is gonna start when we put this new battery in there? Let me know in the comments right now, yes or no. At the castle. Alright, y'all, we got it. Okay, so the battery was supposed to have this little pack taped to the back of it, and ours didn't have it. So now we ready to try it.
This is almost 4 o'clock. Yeah, it'll be alright.
We got the post for the battery.
All right, y'all, we getting ready to drop this thing in here. I wish it was the weight of a lithium, but
We'll never die hard.
Boom! What would you rank this on a scale of 1 to 10 of how difficult?
This is about a 5.
I dropped the screw inside the motorcycle, so I am back at the store to try and get a new screw. Y'all, this has turned into something so difficult, and it could be so easy. said put some stabilizer in the gas tank. We ready. We ready. We ready. I'm so tired. I know you hot. I know you tired, T-Bag.
Yep.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how tired are you?
I'm at about a 6 right now.
6. That's not bad. So y'all, let me tell y'all now what we got going. So, all right. So the next step, we got the bike up and running. That's the main thing. First of all, that's the main thing. The bike sounds good to me. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. The next step is to go to a bike wash, a car wash, and get this bike rinsed off. I don't know if I can even ride this to a car wash. It's so dirty. I'm not even exaggerating. I can't even do it. So I might go get the water hose out the bag, spray it down. Not today. We almost there, y'all. We still got some more stuff we got to do to the bike to make sure it's ready to ride and ready for the road. So, once again, thank you for tuning in. Like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And if you already subscribed, turn your notifications on. Share the video with somebody and to help them not do what I did. And it's Friday. Go enjoy your day. You got something to say?
100,000.
We on the road to 100,000 subscribers. Burr, 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 burr. So make sure y'all just like the video real quick. Like, if you like the video, it help push the video farther and all that. That's what they say. So go ahead and like it. It don't hurt. It's free. It's free. When somebody giving you free samples at the store, you're going to take it. So go ahead and like the video. Because we're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. It's been a long time coming. So we finna just make this first ever challenge. I never had any challenges for any subscribers. I never cared. I still don't really care. But I do want to do a goal. So this will be fun. Let's see if we can make it to 100,000 subscribers, y'all. I love y'all so much. It's QueenSit. I'm out. And before we go, y'all, do you think we could have did anything differently to make this go faster? What y'all think? Did y'all enjoy our process? Is it something that if somebody watching this video, you could teach them something new that maybe we didn't do? You know, we all about making things easier, work smarter, not harder. So yeah, let us know if you like what we did. Drop a thumbs up. All right, T-Mac, you want to say something?
I appreciate all the comments. Thank you to QueenSit for letting me play with her on this motorcycle. We got it. Appreciate y'all.
We did it, y'all. All right, we out. Stay tuned because we got more coming. Let's go.